How to make your first $100 online using bots. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and that's what I want to talk about today is how to make your first $100 online using bots. Now, before we get started, I do want to say that the first thing you should do is head to bots2023.com and put your email address in this box. And the reason I say that is because over 90% of people who see my YouTube videos do not subscribe and may never see another video again. So if you want to stay up to date on the latest bots and automation tools, as well as stay in touch with me, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you head to bots2023.com and join the mailing list, and then you'll be in the loop. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Here I've put together 7 steps that you can follow to make your first $100 online using bots. And for those of you who stick around to the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you something that refines this process even further, so that instead of these 7 steps, it's pretty much one step and makes it super easy. But assuming you're going to strike out on your own, these are the steps you're going to want to follow. So the first step is to find something to sell. And this step alone gets a lot of people hung up. And the reason why is because there's millions, if not billions, of products being sold online now. Everything from physical products to digital products. And people wonder, am I going to have to start a social media marketing agency? Am I going to have to start an SEO agency? Am I going to have to find a product to drop ship? Where do I find that product? It's a ton of information. So something I put together that can help you with this, if you're going to strike out and do this on your own, is you'll find a link to this in the description of this video on YouTube. But this is a list of my favorite money-making links. So up until this point, these are all of the links that I've actually promoted online to make money. And you can see it's quite a long list. There's 25 or so different things here in this list. And now these are all different tools or services that I've promoted to make money online. So just sorting through this checklist alone could take you an awful lot of time. Like, for example, even this first one here has about several hundred to 1,000 different affiliate offers you can promote within it. And if you don't know what that word affiliate means, I'll jump into that in just a second. So once you find something to sell, the next step is to create a magic money-making link. And the reason I call it that is because some people are afraid of the word affiliate marketing. They think it has something to do with MLM or a pyramid scheme or something sketchy. They think they're going to have to annoy their friends and family trying to sell them stuff. But that's not really the case at all. Just to clarify this, affiliate marketing just means a commission-only salesperson. So just like somebody might sell you a car, in this case, we are selling software or bots or tools that people can use to help their business. So that's step 2. So we found something to sell. Now, step 2, creating an affiliate link or a magic money making link is actually pretty easy. Once you've found one of these things that you want to promote, whether it's on my list or whether you search Google or whether it's something you learned from bots2023.com, the important thing is that you put your information in and you actually get a link that will make you money. So the next step is to find a bot that actually works. And like I said, just here in my checklist, there's 20 or so different tools that you can use. But the problem with that is that each one of those is a new thing that you're going to have to learn. You're going to have to invest hours, if not days or weeks, learning how to use this new tool that you found to help you with your business. Now, this is something that has taken me I've spent thousands of dollars on different tools, plenty of subscriptions that I've had to cancel because the bot or the tool did not work as it was advertised. It didn't work as expected. And so that's time wasted that, aside from the learning opportunity it created, it's time I'll never get back. So by putting this list together here to show you exactly what to do, I'm trying to save you the trouble. So that brings me to step 5, which is troubleshoot the bot. Because like anything in life, you're probably not going to do this right the first time, which means you're going to have errors. Something's not going to work right. You're going to have to figure out what you did wrong and spend even more time setting up this system which you thought was supposed to be automated, right? All the hype is around bots. You want to make money with bots. You thought it was going to be easy. You were going to put money in or click a button and get money out. And realistically, that's not how it works. This is a process. It takes time. You have to invest either time or money to really get any kind of result out of it. So what I'm showing you here is what to do if you have time to invest. If you have a ton of time, you can grab my list down below, sort through these different offers, find one that works for you, and just go about promoting it on your own and figure it out as you go. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what I was doing up until recently. So now that once you've troubleshooted the bot, now you're actually going to use the bot to, whoops, drive traffic to your magic link, to your affiliate link. You're going to put the bot into action and you're going to send traffic to your link. But that brings me to another time-consuming step, which is to follow up with every lead at least 7 times. Now, why do I say that? Studies show that people need to see a product or service at least 7 times before they consider buying it. Most people don't just see something online randomly and buy it right away. So some people think it works that way, which is why if we go back up here at step 1, find something to sell, people get hung up on this because they think the reason that they haven't made any money with their bots or with their automation is because they just don't have the right hot product. And once they find that hot product, they're going to get the sales. But the reality is it's probably not the product, it's probably just your marketing. You haven't followed up with your leads at least 7 times. So now that you've spent all this time to get the bot working and get your automations running, now you realize you have a whole nother task ahead of you, which is to follow up at least 7 times. So that brings me to the next thing I want to show you, which is a much easier way. And if we scroll down here, the easy way to do this is to replicate a proven step-by-step system. Having issues with my scroller here, it looks like, but it's easy to replicate a step-by-step system. And now if you've gone ahead and taken my advice and put your email in at bots2023.com, the next page you're going to come to is an offer to join Chase's Fortune Bots Bootcamp. Now, I can't say enough good things about this because, like I said, your options are to do everything yourself. And like I said, I've made a checklist to try and help you with that if that's your prerogative. But it's really much more reliable. I started getting much more success with this type of thing once I started following a proven step-by-step system, which is exactly what Chase Reiner has. He's generated millions of dollars online using this, but you don't have to believe me and you don't have to believe Chase. If you come here and scroll down on this page, there are a ton of reviews from other people who are thoroughly impressed with the courses and even people who are making thousands of dollars using this exact system that Chase has created here. And so what I want to show you is actually a preview inside the classes of exactly what this looks like. So here I'm on the class replays tab. This is an 8-week boot camp and we're currently in week 4, so there's still plenty of time to get in, and of course all the replays are here so you can get up to speed. But basically we show you everything step by step. Chase, I have taught a lesson in here. There's a guy, Ryan Borden, Alex, and a bunch of different other experts in here on particular things, experts on video marketing, experts on bots, experts on setting up VPS. Here we have spam laws, so how to stay out of trouble doing all of this stuff. So really step by step everything you need to do. And then over here, apps and bots, Chase shows you the exact tools that you're going to need to replicate the process that he has used to generate millions of dollars online using bots. $1 million a year is what this is currently generating for him. And like I said, thousands of dollars for his students. And where's the proof? Well, here is the proof. Here's $5,000 that I've generated only promoting Chase's products alone, right? I told you I have this money-making links here. These are all the different things that I've promoted over the past few years. And just with this one affiliate program, I've generated $5,000 in income for myself and $12,000 for Chase, all using tools online to essentially make money around the clock. So for those of you who stuck around, I told you I would show you the easiest way possible to do that, and believe it or not, as easy as replicating a proven step-by-step system is, it still takes time, right? It takes a little bit of money because you got to pay somebody to show you how to do it, but then you're going to do it yourself. Now, by far, the easiest way is to just have it all done for you by a pro, which is why inside of the classes here. Here we have assignments so that you literally, not only do we have the replays so you can watch the videos and see exactly what to do, then you have assignments that are going to say, okay, follow these steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, to set all of this up so that you get the results. And then you don't even have to spend the time. Remember, on my list here, find something to sell. I said that not only took me a lot of time, that I had to make a whole spreadsheet about it, but it takes most people hours or days of time to find something to sell. So instead of doing that, this is all just done for you here, because you can earn 50% promoting any of Chase's products. And there's courses, there's tools, there's checklists and master classes in here. So plenty of stuff to get you started. But there's one more thing that you're going to have access to within these Fortune Bots classes, and that's the marketplace. Inside of the Fortune Bots marketplace, you can actually order services from the different experts in the group, from myself, from Ryan, from other members in the group who have set all this stuff up already and know exactly how it works. You could just pay us to do it for you, and basically you just put money in, we hand over the system and show you how to run it, and you take over from there. So obviously that is the most costly option, but that's what I wanted to break down in this video and just try and make clear for you, that everyone is excited to make money online using bots. But if you're going it alone, it's not always as easy as it seems, especially because, on YouTube, to get you guys to actually watch the video, we have to use a certain amount of creativity and generate excitement. Some people take that a little too far now. There's tons of offers out there that aren't legit, which is why I wanted to make this video to show you not only what I've gained from this classes, which is not only $5,000 in additional income, but just the knowledge and the tools I need to repeat this process over and over, and hopefully at some point get on Chase's level of making over $1 million a year using bots and automation online. So I hope that helps, whether you go it alone or whether you join us in the classes or just pay us to do it all for you. I hope you get started, because now is the time to start making money with bots and automation online. The first place to get started is bots2023.com. So head over, join the mailing list, see what all the buzz is about, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.